Hey guys, this is Kieran, and this is my Bushmaster ACR project from a used ACR I bought on Gunbroker. This gun began its life as a regular ACR Enhanced, and my goal was to get it as light as possible without any expensive or permanent modification to the gun, using only factory or easy-to-find components. So here's the optic I'm going to get from Amazon. It's one of the Holosuns, microdot sight. Here's the website. And here's some of the specs available to it, found on holosun.com. And here is the Flash-Hider I'm going to get from DSAarms.com. It is the DSA AR-15 Titanium Enhanced. You can get it either in natural, or you can pay a little bit extra and get it in this gray finish, and it's just an A2 style birdcage. Here's the Midwest Industry Handguard I'm going to get. You can get it in both black and coyote, and as of 6/10/2018, both are still in stock. Alright, so here's how much this thing weighs naked, in case you guys haven't seen. Like my dad, this scale was wounded in Vietnam because it's missing a foot. And scales don't work very well if they're not balanced. At least if they're not level. So let's try it here. So that's pretty heavy. 8 pounds, 4.5 ounces. Alright, just to give you guys a comparison, this is Zoe's MCX with this giant Holosun optic installed, bad lever, and it weighs not even 8 pounds completely put together. 7 pounds, 14 ounces. A little under that. 7 pounds, 14, 7 pounds, 13.9, something like that. And here's my Robinson SCR. So, sling, flashlight, and optic attached. 8 pounds, 10.5 ounces. So here's what the heaviest of the factory handguards weighs. The enhanced one, which is definitely not my favorite. 10 3/4 ounces. And here's that titanium Flash-Hider I got from DSA Arms. 1 ounce. So it weighs probably weighs just under 1.25 ounces. Scale doesn't have the most significant figures known to man. So I got my new Midwest Industries handguard that they just came out with this year, and came with this fluffy foam thingy. I have no idea what it's for. Anyways, let's see how much this one weighs. So it looks like 9.25. A little less than that. It keeps blinking it out, so just under 9.25. So that weighs almost 1.5 ounces less than the enhanced handguard, which was what, 10 3/4. Man, I had a lot of trouble getting this barrel off. I'm gonna guess it's probably never been taken off before. A little on the dirty side, clearly been shot. But I don't know how much. Alright, let's go ahead and weigh this guy as is. Alright, factory barrel M4 profile. AAC Flash-Hider weighs about 2 pounds, 10 3/4 ounces, 2 pounds, 10.5 ounces. That's quite a bit for just the barrel. I understand there's gas parts in there and the trunnion and all that, but that explains why there's so much weight so far up on the gun. So I got my barrel back from Templar Precision. All they did was replace the M4 one with the stripped one. You can see my DSA Titanium Flash-Hider is already on there. And let's see how much this guy weighs. So it looks like 2 pounds, 6 3/4 ounces, so about 4 ounces less exactly. And here's the Holosun red dot sight. Plan on using with this. Comes with this super spiffy box. It's actually a pretty nice box. Here's the actual sight. This is the Holosun 503 Golf uniform, so it does not have the solar panel, and it does have these encased turret caps with a little bit of ridge over them and the side battery compartment. So as you can see, it is on, so the battery is installed. And with battery installed, this one weighs just over 5 ounces, it looks like, linking between 5 and 5 1/4. Now on the website they said this weighed 6.3, so it's actually quite a bit less than advertised, which is good. Might even be just under 5 ounces. Here's the completed weight of my ACR with the new barrel installed and the octet on it. 8 pounds, 4 ounces exactly. So we shaved off about a full red dot's worth of weight. So now all that's left is to take her out to the range and see how she does. Alright, so 30 rounds, steel case, tool ammo, just to see if the gun cycles. Tool's pretty much the make or break for whether or not guns can cycle cheap ammunition or not. So here we go. Locked open. I noticed the ejection there was a little erratic, but everything cycled. So I am pleased overall with how much weight we were able to shave off. I think the next thing I'm going to work on is the trigger, because the stock trigger is a little bit heavy. But if you guys would like to see more videos and more content, please like and leave a comment on this video, and I'll see you next time.